Hey everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to edit sections here in Google Sites. Now for those of you who don't know, and just for a bit of context, Google Sites is a free web-based tool for creating websites that is ideal for both personal and professional use. Now, do not worry if you are a first-timer when it comes to using the software, you're a beginner, or if in general you're just not familiar with the whole interface of this website, as it can be a bit confusing, because I will be here to guide you and show you the step-by-step process as well as everything that you need to know when it comes to using this website. Now, as you can see right now, I have a website opened up in my Google Chrome. And by the way, I must mention that before starting with anything else, I want you to make sure that the browser you are using, whether you are on Mac or on Windows like me, is completely up to date. And this is for the reason that we can avoid any unexpected errors that may come along our way if we do so. Now, if you're interested in watching, we actually have a dedicated playlist that compiles all the Google software tutorials on our YouTube channel, so you might want to check it out. We also have a beginner's guide when it comes to using all the Google software or workspace softwares such as Google Docs, Google Sheets, and this software, Google Sites, in which we already covered all the basic features and functions that you can use here on Google Sites. Now, sections are basically everything that divides your workspace or your Google website. Like this one, we have the content block. This is a section. You have this section right here, which is the text box. You have this section right here, which is the button that we have created in a previous video. And it's basically filled with tons of sections. We have a divider right here, as you can see. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can set this up yourself. Now, in setting up a section, all you have to do is to hover on that section and click on it. And now, as you can see right here, we actually have the option to select colors for this section. You can add a styling. This is the default one, style 1. The style 2, what it will do is that it will match the color of the text box from the color of the background, like so. As you can see, it looks way more professional and way more slick. And this one, which aligns to the theme that you have selected. Or you can add an image yourself by clicking on the image icon right here, clicking on upload or select, which will open up your Google Drive, or upload, which will open up your computer directory, and selecting the picture right here. And now, as you can see, we can actually select the picture that we would like to insert as our background image for this specific section. Now, you can also duplicate your section like so. You can delete it by clicking on the delete icon right here. And you can adjust the order of your section by clicking on this dot right here until your cursor changes into a cross sort of arrows. And now you can drag it down to change its order, like so. As simple as those things, we can easily edit our sections according to our preference and likings. And that wraps it up for today's video. If you did learn something, please consider subscribing, hitting that notification bell, and dropping a like, as well as commenting below what you would like to see from us next. And from here, I wrap it up. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.